Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 2460 of LeetCode, which is apply operations to an array. So first I will read the question, then the approach, then write the code in C++. You are given a 0 indexed array nums of size n consisting of non-negative integers, so it means no integer below 0. You need to apply n minus 1 operations to this array, where in the ith operation you will apply the following on the ith element of nums. So basically index I we have to apply the operation. If nums of I equal to nums of I plus 1, then multiply nums of I by 2 and set nums of I plus 1 to 0. Otherwise you shift the operation. So basically a for loop in which we will check if nums of I is equal to its next element. If it's so nums of I will be nums of I into 2 and nums of I plus 1 will become 0. After performing all the operations, shift all the zeros to the end of an array. For example, the array 102 001 after shifting all its 0 to end will become 121 000. So 2 and 1 came and all the 3 0 go back. Return the resulting array. Note that the operations are applied sequentially, not all at once. So first we have to do this, then we have to do this. So this is a very basic question and best for simulation practice. So what we will do is, first we will do the for loop. As it is said, we have to apply the operations as it is given. Here you have to do the loop with n minus 1, or else you will give the overflow at the last loop. Alright, so we have done the first operation as it is said. Now for the putting all the zeros at the end, we will create a resulting array. To which we will give its length as the given first array, and to track the index of the resulting array, we will create a j integer with 0 starting point, and then we will run a for loop in the nums array. And what we have to do, we have to find which number is not 0, and if it's not 0, we will change the particular index of resulting array to that number, and then we will increase the j index by 1. So we will check it. If it's not 0, then the result of j will become nums of I, and j will increase by 1. Now we return our resulting array. As you can see, both the test cases have been passed. Now let's submit the answer. Because 0 millisecond runtime, which means 100% of people, and 13.32 MB of memory. So the space complexity of this question is O of n, as we are taking a whole resulting array, and the time complexity is O of n, as we are using 2 for loops. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.